Kaniban.
Rebound Pasqua. Pass to May. Maya in the dribble. Maya on the spot. Oh, no good. Rebound Pasqua. Hey, foul. Goal. Panganiban is a first foul. Pasqua on the free throw line. Oh, it's shoot. 1 point for Mr. Pasqua. Second shot. It's good. Magpantay na dribble. Magpantay. Oh. Siton. Ayan, dribble, no good. 10 seconds to shoot. Magpantay na dribble. Pass to Panganiban. On the spot. It's good. It's fine. It's good. 2 points for Mr. Panganiban. Medeha on the dribble for white team. Pass to Garcia.
Running time.
7 minutes and 42 seconds on the first quarter. Magpantay the dribble. Magpantay. Oh.
Wow.
It's good. Panganiban on the dribble. Panganiban. Magpantay.
10 seconds shoot.
Magpantay. 3 points.
Yo. Dead ball, mamaya sa dead ball.
Mediha the dribble. Pass to Garcia. Oh, Mediha. Oh. Turnover to Magpantay the dribble. Pass to Panganiban, the spot. Good!
Nice shot by Panganiban.
How many points to Mr. Panganiban? Dito. Pasqua.
10 seconds to shoot.
Sa foul. Foul, magpantay. Substitute.
Substitution, number 11 out. Number 45 in. Substitute, red out, Ulea in, Katampatan, number 7.
Si Erwin. Magpantay sir, number 15. 23 pa, 23.
Who's foul, rep? Number 23.
Ang nipis talaga.
Pass to Garcia. Garcia on the spot, no good. It's a white ball, red ball.
Same ball.
Same ball.
Twelve seconds to shoot.
Okay, Panganiban to magpantay. Magpantay the dribble spot. No good. Rebound to Pasqua. Makasina. Makasina. No good. Makasina on the spot. No good again. Magpantay. Pass to Panganiban. Magpantay.
Yun.
Magpantay. Oh. Panganiban.
Wala.
Okay. Rebound. Pasqua. Bakasina on the dribble. Bakasina.
10 seconds to shoot.
Yo, kabila.
Katatan sa to magpantay. Wala, no.
Lost ball, rep.
Mabula. Red ball.
Rep.
Ano naman ay.
O, white ball.
Kaya nga.
Pumapatak na ang ulan. Mediha to Pasqua. Oh, sa turnover po. Guerrero on the spot, no good. Rebound, magpantay the spot, is good. Time out.
Pwede na kayo magpalit.
Bakasina on the dribble. Bakasina. Okay, turnover.
And first quarter, remaining 3 minutes. 3 minutes in first quarter, remaining in time.
Bakasina on the dribble. Bakasina on the spot. Shoot! Oh, okay, points for white team.
All 9 to score.
Pascual on the dribble.
10 seconds to shoot.
The passwords, no good. Ramirez on the dribble in the white team. Ramirez. Pascual. Pascual, no good. Rebound Ramirez. Pass to Tasina. Oh. Pascual on the spot, no good. It's a red team.
2 minutes in game. Ano?
Tuloy.
Okay. Op. Easy lang.
Ika nga, relax lang. Dahan lang.
1 minute and 47 seconds.
Fernandez, okay lang. Bagasina on the dribble.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Okay.
Kaya mo yan!
Aray, sipin mo, vodka yung pinasa!
Budka!
Sipin mo, vodka!
Ramirez, oh, no good.
Red ball. Committee time. Red ball.
Be, baka meron dyan, ano?
Taknoy. Bumi open.
Baka meron dyan.
Buhit. Chef Tricky. Oh, who's foul, rep? Foul, number 45. $50 seconds. Oh, lost ball, number 7. Ayong announcer, Safety Ricky. Paging, Safety Ricky. Number 40 shot, no good. Rebound by number 14, 15. Under rebound, no. Harassed by number 7. Last ball, Sep. Who's last ball? Oh, jump ball. Oh, arrow. Kaninang bola kayo na?
Sa white ngayon.
Oh, white ball. Yeah. Number 45 in dribbling. 30 seconds. And first up, harassed by number 7. Number 45 to 18. 18 shot in the 3-point play. No! Rebound by number 45. Shot. Shoot. Good for 2 by number 45. 5 seconds to shoot in first quarter. 45.
Buzzer!
Oh! Dead ball. Wala tayong pito. Pascual in the dribbling. Go. Oh, referee. What referee? Who's foul rep? Number 45. 18? Oh, 18, sorry. Bantilan foul. Kasuga inbound. Pass to Pascual. Pass to number 28, Lirio. Oh, lost ball. Red team inbound. 90 seconds shoot. Lirio. No good. Rebound number 10. Redibo. Rebound by Suga. Wow. Orman Bicol, ikaw naman.
Ayan. Bagasina on the dribble. Bagasina. Pasqua. Pasto Kasuga. Lirio. Kasuga, kick the ball.
Yun naman, yan sana.
Bagasina. Ang sexing si Bagasina. Bagasina, pasto.
Po, eh!
2 points, Merced. May free throw pa po yan.
Anibo. Number 10, Anibo.
Number 10? All po number 10.
Atay-tay.
Merced! Merced! Black Pasqua! Pasqua on the dribble. Nag-drive po si Pasqua. Pinasa kay Lirio. Sala! Kasuga! The place. Kasuga to Pasqua. Pasqua on the dribble. Bang! Sala! Oh, Bantilan. Naghahanap po ng mapapasahan. Si Bantilan.
15 seconds to shoot.
Bagasina. Pinasa sa loob.
10 seconds to shoot.
Inilabas ulit. Itinira. Wala. Bantilan. Nako. Sa ending lang pala ito magaling. Bagasina again. Lirio. Pasto Kasuga. To Pasqua. Yes. Bumawi. Wala akong mapasahan si Bantilan. Ipinasa na lang basta. Yan po, yan. Anibo. Short. Alit. Number 32, Pasqua. Oh, time out po, time out. White.
Time out. Oh, sige. Sige. Time out, pwede. Right. Official award. 15-13. Sorry.
Red.
15-13 in favor of Red. White ball.
Midiha on the dribble, Midiha. Nawawala, Midiha. Hinaharas mo siya. Epre. Anibo. Naharas po siya ng dalawa. Yun, pinasa. Wala. Guerrero. Pasqua again, the block. Siya ni Pasqua. Pasqua, block by Pasqua.
Pascual.
Pascual, block by Pasqua.
Pascual missed the first free throw. Second throw.
Another try. Midiha, nakuha po ng puti. Midiha. Kasundutan, nadapa ng konti, bangon. Pasqua. No, nasundot po na yun. Guerrero to Anibo. Sobra. Pasqua, hindi tumatalon, basta lang nakatayo. Ang galing mo, laki mo.
Red. White ball.
Pasqua to Antinor to Midiha. Jukar, pumasok. Nakuha ni Efren.
Light ball.
Ayan. Anibo, nakuha po ni Anibo. Nagkakabanggaan ng konti. Antinor to Anibo, nakuha. Anibo, nakuha ni Pasqua. Ipinasa kay Bayanin, idiretso mo!
Yeah!
Sana! Pinapos po si Bayanin, habol lang hininga. Yan, Antinor.
Umupo na.
Luka! Kasamahan po natin ang kunting comedy. Good to my Pasqua. To Kasugay! Yes!
Sam! White. Number 7 out. Number in Bagasina. Up number. Sino ba? Dito ang sub. Dito magsasub. Dito. Kung sino magsasub, pumunta rito sa table, committee table. Sub. Ba't number? Para sa 12. Sige. Okay na yan. Double. Kompyang kayo.
Midiha on the dribble. Nakuha po ni Anibo. Pinasa kay Pascual. Wala.
Okay, time out! Red team! Game tayo, red team and white ready.
Puti.
Okay.
Puti.
Arrow. Position arrow.
45 on the dribble, number 45. Another up. Number 89 on the dribble, that spot. It's good! Number 89. 89 is the 2 points. 45 on the dribble for the white team. Number 50 on the red team. 89 the spot, that's foul. Foul number 28 for the white team. Number 28, foul.
Score 19-15 in favor of red.
Number 89 is a first free throws. No good. Second spot of number 89 for the red team. No good. Rebound number 9 on the white team. Pass to number 5, Pasqua. Mr. Pasqua, number 5 of the white team on the dribble. That's turnover for number 10. Anibo to Pasqua. Pascual. Okay. Number 5 of the white team. 45 on the dribble. Number 45 of the white team on the dribble. Number 45. Pass to number 12. Number 9 on the spot. No good. Rebound. Stop.
Jump ball.
Jump ball.
Arrow. Oy, red ball.
Red ball.
Red ball ba, white?
Red.
Oh, red ball. Penalty na po ang white. Penalty na ang white.
Number 15 on the dribble. For the red team. Pass to number Anibol. The spot. No good. Rebound number 9 of the white team. Pass to 45 on the white team. Number 45 on the dribble. Sa foul for number 89 for the red team. Foul number 89.
Sub. Red. Out number 89 in number 23.
Number 45 for the sa traveling violation. Or number 45 of the white team. As the traveling. Number 10, Anibo on the spots, no good. Rebound number 9 of the white team. Number 9, pass to number 5. Number 45 on the dribble. Number 45 on the spot, no good. Rebound. Up.
Red ball. Sub rep. Go. Wala.
Wala.
Out. Number 15 in. Number 19.
The ball is the red team. Sa foul number 10. It's a penalty.
Penalty
Free throw.
both team. Penalty both team. Substitution rep. Pwede rep. In number 7, out number 10.
.45 on the free throw line is good. Second spot number 45 on the white team is no good. Rebound number 32.
Ay, binato ang bola.
Nice.
Pasqua number 5 and the 2 points for the white team. Number 19 of the red team on the dribble. Pass to number 23. Number 32. Violation.
Counted rep.
Counted.
Ako, counted rep. Okay, counted rep.
Counted?
Counted,
Okay,
counted, ref.
Counted.
Referee decision is counted. Okay, ref,
sige,
thank
sige.
you.
Thank you, ref. Thank you.
Last 2 minutes.
Up, number 19. For the white team.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Birlao Campaign Canteen.
The score is 21-18. Favor of the red team. Number 19 on the dribble for the right team. Number 19, pass to 23. Number 32, Pascual. It's no good. It's the white team.
Remaining time, second half, our second quarter is 1.25. A minute and 25 seconds.
The white team, 45 on the dribble. It's a foul. Red, foul, number 15.
Isang minuto at 14 na segundo. Penalty rep,
Penalty.
penalty, up,
Free
penalty
throw.
rep.
Free throw.
Isang minuto at 14 na segundo. Asap rep. In, number 11, out.
Number 12.
Number
out.
12, in.
Mr. Siton on the white team. .45 of white team for the free throws, no good. Second shot for number 45 on the white team. It's good. Point for the number 45 for the white team. 19 on the dribble for the red team. Pass to 32. Now, okay, set traveling violation. Okay. Number 45 on the ball. 45. The dribble. Pass to number 20.
55 seconds.
Ay ba, maliit lang, malaki na.
Number
Sa
11
dalawa
on the
referee.
spot.
Hindi, isang malaki ng, isang animan na para doon sa kami.
Rebound number 9. It's good. 2 points for the white team. Number 9.
Remaining time, 41 seconds. 40 seconds.
Number 19 on the dribble. Number 19.
30 seconds.
The spots, no good. Rebound Pasqua. Pasqua, pass to number 45 on the white team. It's no good.
20 seconds.
No good. Rebound number 7 on the right team. Number
16 seconds.
Pascual number 30.
12 seconds. Remaining time.
Number 30.
7. Host foul rep. Penalty.
Number 5. Foul for the white team. Pasqua, foul.
4 seconds ang natitira pong oras natin. 4 seconds. Score! Official, sali lang po. Totally, ang special committee. Tinototal lang po. Ano score? All. Ang red. Ah, 22. 22-21. Official po natin ay ang ating mga engineer at ang ating supervisor ng ano. 4 seconds po natira. 4 seconds. No more shot clock. In 4 seconds, no more shot clock.
Pascual, no good. Oh, rebound na. Pascual's good. Number 32, 2 points.
Walang pito, walang buzzer, mahina.
The score is 24-21 in favor of red team. Okay. Sige. Tama lang. Tama. The ball is the white team. Okay, number 28. Number 28 on the dribble for the white team. Part of number 45. Number 45 to Pasqua, no good. Rebound to number 9 for the red team. Number 9 on the dribble. Pass to number 23. 23, no good. Rebound number 28 to for the white. Oh! The ball is our red team. Number 10 on the dribble, 23. Number 82. Number 23 is no good. Foul. Foul number 28 for the white team.
11 to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot.
Number 23, pass to number 10 on the red team. Number 10 on the red team, spot. It's good. It's 2 points for the red team. Number 10 for the 2 points. The score is 27-21.
Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Uy.
Untuk. The ball is the red team. Number 23, magpantay on the dribble for the right to for the red team. Pass to number 10. Number 10, 3 point. Number 10, 3 point.
Number 10.
For the red team.
Anibo 3 points.
Number 45 on the dribble for the white team.
10
Pass to number
seconds to
10.
shoot.
Number 10, bang! It's no good.
Ang lakas.
For the white team on the dribble. Pass to number 5.
10 seconds shoot.
45 on the spot. No good. Rebound to number 28. Pass to 45. Number 5. No good. 28. No good again. Oh. Number 55. Garcia's 2 points. Garcia. Panganiban on the dribble. Pass to number 9. Anibo.
10 seconds shoot.
Anibo. Pass to number 9. Number 9 the spot. No good. Rebound number 55 for the white team. Pass to number 45 for the white team. To 55. Garcia, Hawk. The ball is the red team. Number 23 on the dribble for the red team. Magpantay. To number 82, Mataro. Rebound, pass ball. For the white team, pass to number 45. 45 on the dribble for the white team.
10 seconds shoot.
Number 28. Oh. Pasqua, number 5. No good. The ball is the red team. Number 10 on the dribble. Pass to number 19. No good. What? Foul number 5. Foul Pasqua. For the white team. Pasqua is the warning.
Reps up. Rep sa white. Sino babalitan, rep? Ano number?
Mediha out. And then number 5.
Number 5 out, number 28 out, in, number 9, and number 7 of white.
Panganiban on the free throw line or the red team. Panganiban, spot. It's good. 1 point for Mr. Panganiban. Number 45 on the dribble for the white team. Oh, it's good. Number 45 for the white team. Just 2 points. Okay, another number 45 on the white team. Number 45. Okay. Number 19. It's no good. Oh. Foul number 9. Foul number 9 for the white team. Rebound Panganiban. Foul. Red. Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 10, Paing. Foul, Merced. Panganiban, the free throw line.
Sub rep, out. Number 9, in, number 7, katampatan.
Second free throw for number 9.
Warning for penalty ang white.
Panganiban, it's good. It's 2 points for the free throw line. Number 9.
5 minuto na tira.
7. Pass to number 55, number 9 for the white team. It's good, number 9. Number 9 just 2 points for the white team. Magpantay on the dribble. Magpantay. Who's foul, sir? Who's foul? Number 7.
Penalty rep. Four minutes and 46 seconds remaining time on third quarter.
First free throw for Mr. Magpantay. It's no good. The second free throw, no good. Rebound number 55 for the white team. Pass to 45. Number 45 on the dribble. Up. Foul number 19.
4 na minuto at 31 segundo. 12 seconds to shoot.
Number 9 to pass to number 7. Number 55. Rebound number 9. Up. Foul number 82 for the right team, red team. 82. Mataro.
Yep. 19 out in 15 Calyado, Sanctual right. Number in 5 out, what number? Number 10. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. 4 na minuto at 25 segundo.
Rebound Pascua. Who's foul, rep? Number 9. 82. Number 82 sa foul. Mataros foul.
Wala pa red.
Sa sideline.
Tama yan.
The score is 32-27 in favor of red team. Number 15 on the dribble for the red team. Number 15 up. Pass to number 23 magpantay. Number 10 Anibo on the dribble.
Uy!
Good.
Rebound number 5, Mr. Pasqua. For the white team. Pass to number 9. Number 9 for the white team on the dribble. Pass to number 55. 55 on the dribble. Oh, rebound number 10. Number 10 with the red team on the dribble. Number 10. Pass to number 23. 23.
Ay!
Okay. Magpantay, 3 points, no good. Okay, number 10. Number 10. Okay, out. 2 points for number 23, magpantay. For the red team.
Time out! Red team! Red. 13 team foul. 13 third foul. Team foul. White penalty. Na anong white? White penalty.
Ah, sige, tapusin ko na ang first game. Yung second game na sa'yo. Ako nga pala, bilang na
White. Oh, sorry. White ball. Sorry. Ramirez.
Ramirez to number 9 for the white team. Number 1, Bola. Number 14 on the dribble for a red team. Pass to number 15. Number 15 to 28. 28 on the spot. Shoot for the 2 points for the red team. Number 28.
Last 2 minutes.
Number 28 for the white team on the dribble. Pass to number 7.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 28. Pasqua.
5 seconds.
Good. Another rebound for Pasqua. Oh, number 28 rebound for the red team. Pass to number 7. Oh.
Ang natirang oras po sa third quarter ay 1 minute and 32 seconds.
Number 14 on the white team on the dribble. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 14. It's good for 2 points for the white team. Ramirez, 2 points. Number 28. Okay. Oh, sobrang lakas. Sayang.
Ano ang sayang? Ano nga sayang? A minute and 5 seconds.
Number 7 on the dribble for the red team.
1 minute in third quarter.
Katampatan. Pass to number 28. 28 for the red team.
10 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds in the third quarter.
Number 14 to number 9 for the white team. No good. Rebound number 15 for the red team.
35 seconds.
Number 15.
30 segundos.
7 to 14. Number 32.
10 seconds to shoot.
On the spots. No good.
20 segundos natira sa third quarter.
Number 28 for the okay.
10 seconds shoot. 10 seconds time natira.
Pascual. Oh, no good.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Back to the ball game tayo, mga kapatid. White ball, white ball.
Number 18 to for the white team. Number 18. It's good. 2 points for number 18. Oh, points daw ah.
Takbong wayaman, oh.
Number 7 to for the red team on the dribble. Number 7. Pass to number 89. 89. Rebound number 13. Pass to number 45. Number 45 on the spot. No good. Rebound Pascual. Pascual. Pass to number 15. It's good for 2 points for the red team. Number 15. 2 points. Number 18. Foul. Foul number 7 for the red team.
16 seconds to shoot.
Number 89 for the red team. Oh. Foul number 13 for the white team. 13. Okay, penalty, ref. Penalty.
Penalty, white team. Fourth quarter na, sir. Hindi continue, sir. Hindi.
Hindi na. Huwag na, baka may...
Pagkapit team foul, bago palang pe-penalty.
Number 45, white team on the dribble. Pass to number 18. For the white team. Number 18 on the spot. No good. Rebound number 55. Number 55 is a 2 points for the white team.
Kaunti na!
Garcia's 2 points. Number 7 on the dribble for the red team. Okay, foul number 18 for the white team. Number 18 si foul.
14 seconds to shoot.
Number 7 for the red team on the dribble. Pass to number 14. To number 89. 3 point. No good.
Red, pwede na shot? Okay.
Sab.
Red. 7, 14, 15.
Apat.
In, 19, 23, 10 by red.
Pinasok na malalakas. Number 45 on the dribble for the white team. Number 45. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Foul. Who's foul?
8 minuto ang natira sa last quarter.
Number 32. Foul.
8
Pascual.
minuto.
Pascual. Foul. Pascual on the free throw lines. Good. 1 point.
Yung susunod na maglalaro. Maghihintay damdag na kayo. Maganda-handa na.
Pasqua, second free throw line. No good. Oh. Rep. Post foul. Number 13. Number 19 and the dribble for the red team. Number 19. Number 19. Stop. No good. Up! Okay, it's 4 months.
Ilang team? 13 team foul of red. Di pa. A minute, 7 minutes and 46 seconds.
The score is 39-35 in favor of the red team.
7:45. Natira sa time.
Number 18 for the white team. Pass to number 55. To number 5. Number 5, Pasqua. Sa foul, number 23.
Nice.
For the red team. Number 23 sa foul.
Ilan na? Apa pa lang, 14 team foul.
Warning lang.
Oh, okay na. Pero up shooting.
Warning lang, warning.
Warning pa. 14 team foul. Warning for penalty red.
Pasqua for the free throw line. There's free throw, it's good. Second shot for Mr. Pasqua. Number 5 for the white team. Second shot. No good. Rebound to Anibo. Anibo on the dribble. Pass to number 23, magpantay. No good. Okay, sa white team. The ball is the white team ball. The score is 39-36 in favor of red team. Number 45 on the dribble. And the shot is no good. Rebound to Alibo. Number 89. It's good. 2 points for number 89 for the red team. 89. Pascual.
Top board naman din, boy.
To number 45 for the white team. On the dribble. Number 45, number 55. Another shot for number 55.
10 seconds to shoot.
Rebound Magpantay. Magpantay to number 89. Foul. Foul number 18 for the white team.
Warning for penalty, white. Sige, pagtira na isa, sir. Pagtira na isa.
Sige.
89.
May laro tayo sa
the
Boy-Boy,
free
eh.
throw.
Sinaro mo
First
lalo.
free throw, it's no good. Okay.
Time out! Red team!
The red team. Kasuga on the free throw line. First shot, no good.
Iba pa na rito sa
6 minutes and 36 seconds. Remaining time sa fourth quarter.
Okay.
A final quarter.
The ball is the white team. Number 40. Oh! Okay. Number 89. No good. Nako, yung kable.
Lagot. Lagot kayo sa PLDT.
The 89 to 32. 32, the red team on the dribble. Number 32. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Oh no. Now, number 23 is the 2 points for the red team. Magpantay is the 2 points. Number 28 on the dribble. Pass to number 5 for the white team. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Si
Bola rep. Same ball. Okay.
the white team.
14 seconds to shoot.
The ball sa white team. Number 28 to number 55, Garcia. Okay, the second,
11 seconds to shoot.
the white team ball. Number 55 po. Magpantay ang ball. Oh, sige. Number 45.
Uy!
Oh,
Ako nasa posisyon ah.
who's foul rep? Number 32.
Penalty, rep.
Penalty. Okay,
Penalty na red.
Number 9, okay lang? Okay. ka
Okay.
lang?
Okay ka lang, bro. Pagpag lang yan.
Wala lang sa pagpag. Petro,
Wow, shot.
lalong gumanda ang puso. Ni number 9. Number 9, na free throw na second. Free throw, it's no good. Rebound to number 10. Pascua on the dribble. Up. Foul number 9 for the white team.
Oh, penalty
Okay,
na.
red
Both
penalty.
team, penalty.
Penalty for the white team. Number 32 on the first shot. It's good. 1 point for the number 32 for the red team. Mr. Pascua. Second shot. It's good. 2 points for number 32 for the red team. Number 5. Pass to number 9 for the white team. Pass to number 55. It's good for 2 points for number 55
5-0.
for the white team. Garcia, it's 2 points. Number 32 for the red team. On the dribble. Pass to number 19. Oh, red.
5 minuto at 5 segundo na altera sa last quarter. Last na natin. 10 seconds to shoot.
19. No good. Rebound number 55 for the white team. Pass to number 45. Number 45 on the dribble. Pass to number 28. Oh, okay. Number 19. It's good for 2 points for Mr. Paganiban. Number 9. No good. Rebound to Anibo. Pass to Pascua. Pascual.
White ball.
Okay. The white team. Ball. White team ball.
Table. Tama score. Check.
Number 45 on the dribble for the white team. Okay. Magpantay for the red team. Okay, up to another oh. Number 10 Anibo. Number 10 at the
10 seconds to shoot.
Okay.
Rep, timeout.
Red timeout, white team. It's a timeout.
White timeout.
Antenor on the pass to number 28. Number 28. So, jump ball.
Jump ball. Arrow. Same ball.
Number 28, pass to number 12. To number 5. To number 28. Number 7. For the white team, no good. Rebound to Panganiban. Pass to Magpantay. Magpantay. Pass to Pasqua.
10 seconds to shoot.
To number 23, Magpantay. Rebound, Paig. Ano, Paig? Number 89. Number 89. Rebound number 7 for the white team. Number 7. Pass to number 20. Okay. Number 32. Number 32 on the dribble for the red team. Number 32.
10 seconds to shoot.
19. Anibo. Scoot. 2 points for Anibo. For the red team. Number 89. Pass to number 19. 19 on the dribble for the red team. Wala.
10 seconds to shoot.
Anibo, pass to number 32. 23, Magpantay. Magpantay, 3 point. No good. Rebound, number 10, Paig.
Last 2 minutes.
Magpantay.
Ay, double.
Okay, good.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by
Lipo Bitan.
Pepsi by Ninermood.
Number 32, red team on the dribble. No? Foul. Foul, Pasqua.
5 fouls.
Pasqua sa 5 foul.
Oh,
Graduate.
graduate. Pasok na.
Pasok,
sige.
pasok. Sito, pasok na. Pasqua, graduate. Pascual on the free throw lines, no good.
1 minute and 44 seconds.
Okay, so,
Up, reps up.
Ground na. Okay, second shot, Mr. Pascual. It's good. Okay. Patang. Oh, it's 2 points for number 7 for the red team. Katampatan, 2 points. Number 20 for the white team. Pass to number 9. Second. No good. Okay.
Rep, pwede mag-sub.
Reps up. Sige.
Up, out, number 10, in, number 55. 1 minute and 23 seconds ang natira.
Magpantay ang the dribble for the red team. Pass to number 89. Katampatan. True point. Panganiban. So good. Who's foul? Rep.
Penalty rep.
Number 11, foul.
1 minute and 4 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ating oras.
Magpantay free throw lines, no good. Okay, number 32 out. Number 15 in for the red team. Second shot for Mr. Magpantay. No good. Number 7. Magpantay again. Magpantay, 3 points.
55 seconds natira po sa oras natin.
The score is 55-39 in favor of red team. Siton. Scoot, 2 points for Siton. Number 11 for the white team. Siton. Number 11. Katampatan on the dribble for the red team.
Alati.
Pass to Anibo. Anibo. No good. Okay. Magpantay again. Rebound number 9 for the white team. Number 9 on the dribble. Pass to number 11. Number 11. No good. Number 9 for the white team. It's good. 2 points for number 9.
17 seconds. 17 seconds.
Magpantay.
15.
Foul.
Oh, 12 seconds. Alam po natira sa oras natin, rep.
Rep who's foul? Number 7.
No more shot clock.
Number 7 is foul for the white team. Number 23 on the free throw line is good. Second free throw for Mr. Magpantay. No good.
10 seconds.
Rebound. Pass to Anibo.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Rep 3 points.
Okay.
Anibo 3 points.
Thank you. Ayun ano. Captain Ball ng
Captain
ball
Ball,
team.
Captain Ball.
Peperma ho kayo, peperma. Perma
Captain
tayo.
Ball.
Be professional. Be sports.
Going to committee table. Captain ball, captain ball.
Captain Ball, coach. Perma kayo.
Sign lang, sign.
Perma. Oh, yung papalit. Renz!
The score is 60-43. Nanalo po ang red team.